pinuntahan namin yung bahay ni Taylor Swift. So today, nandito na tayo sa LA. Kakarating lang natin ng LAX airport and pinick up tayo ni Tita Darling. And tayo ay pupunta kay Mama Tong. Pero bago muna yan, pupunta muna tayo dito sa In-N-Out Burger para mag-drive-thru. Dahil ito na ang ating dinner. So yan, pumili tayo ng double-double burgers. And tayo ay kakain na papunta doon kay Mama Tong. And next day na to, tayo ay magbe-breakfast sa IHOP. Kasama natin si Tita Rose. Ayan, thank you so much po sa breakfast. So, itong coffee and nag-order ako ng pancakes. And also si Mami, nag-order siya ng omelette. And si Gabo, chicken with waffles. And si Tita Rose naman, ang order niya is itong omelette na may mga, hindi ko alam kung anong palaman, nakalimutan ko na. Pero ito, ako eggs and bacon lang and pancakes. So yan, inaikot tayo ni Tita Rose dito sa San Fernando Mall. And pinakita niya yung Yoshinoya kung saan siya nag-work dati. So after that, punta tayo dito sa Jollibee kasi na-miss natin agad. Charot! So yan, dito tayo sa Seafood City para bumili si Tita Rose ng pagkain para kay Tita Darling. Ayan, so tinignan natin. Ito yung mga meron dito guys, para ka lang rin nasa Pilipinas. Maraming mga chichirya, mga goodies, meron pang pulboro ng Goldilocks, and so on. So meron pang mga daing tuyo dito guys. Ayan o, iba-iba. So may mga tinapa pa. Yes! Dito kami ngayon sa Seafood. Seafood City. Ayan, may Jollibee dyan sa likod. Medyo malamig today. Masarap. Masarap yung weather.
Ginaw.
Oo.
Nakakapanibago. Hindi ka guys sa Pilipinas.
Hindi ka guys sa Pilipinas ang init.
Sobra.
Yan. Malamig dito. Ayun. So, umili lang ng lugaw. And sa Jollibee bumili. So, yun.
Sa Jollibee ba?
Oo. Pumunta sa Jollibee.
Ano bibili?
Hindi ko alam eh. Pero yun. Mabalik na rin tayo mamaya sa bahay and then magtutour tayo around LA. Yes!
Bye!
Bye! Later na lang. So, papunta na kami sa LA para mag-tour.
Si Darling.
Ayan, si Tita Darling.
Vlog.
Hello! Thank you for... Yes! Thank you! Ayan, so alis na kami. And, ayun, mamaya tignan nyo yung mga papasyalan natin dun. Okay? So, the whole day tayo with Tita Darling, papunta sa LA. Thank you so much, Tita Darling, for taking us out. And, magtutour tayo today sa Hollywood. And, nandito tayo ngayon. Ayan na, Hollywood na. Actually, first time ko dito sa Hollywood na to kasi hindi kami nakakapunta before. Last time dapat pupunta kami kaso lang na-cancel yung flight namin that time. So yun, daming complications. But ngayon, nandito na tayo. Thank you Lord. And nandito na tayo sa Hollywood. Ayan, unang-una natin nakita is itong Walk of Fame. So ang dami palang stars na to. Akala ko like may certain spot lang. And actually, itutour tayo ni Tita Darling. Kumuha siya ng Hollywood tour bus. And so, yun yung Walk of Fame. Ayan, ang ganda talaga. And ito yung kanyang view. And dito siya sa Hollywood Visitor Center pumunta para sa tour bus natin. And habang hinaantay natin yung tour bus, tumingin muna tayo ng souvenirs dito sa tabi ng Hollywood Visitor Center. And ayan na, si Mami, magpamasid-masid na siya kung ano yung gusto niya mapili. And ito, nakita ko lang, Netflix is a Joke Fest. So, hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero hindi ko alam. So, yan, ito na yung tour natin. Naantay tayo matawag yung name natin. And ito yung ating tour bus. So, medyo maliit lang siya and konti lang yung tao na nasa loob, which is good. Ito naman yung ating tour guide na may asawang Pilipina, kaya nakakaintindi siya konti ng Tagalog. So, the start of the tour is itong Walk of Fame, since ito na yung pinakamalapit. And, ayan, nandito tayo sa Chinese Theater, which is, nandito na lahat ng mga premiere nights na gaganap, guys, kung alam nyo to. And the next one is itong si Jimmy Kimmel Live. So, kilalang host to dito sa US, and nakapanood nyo rin yan. Ito naman simbahan nito is sinasa Godfather na movie. And of course, di natin malilimutan itong Hollywood sign na nandito sa bundok. Kaso lang di siya masyadong visible because of the fog dahil malamig talaga today, guys.
The time used to belong to a guy called Jason Statham. He lived there for 6 years when he was doing a movie called Transporter 123. He owned Harry Potter Castle, and behind Harry Potter Castle is going to be a glimpse of a little place called the Warner Brothers Studios. And what you're on right now in front of you guys is going to be a movie called Lover's Lane and a movie called John Travolta, Eliminating John, called Lover's Lane. This is where the movie location, when the end who's selling his property, is going to be a guy called Mr. all the way up top on my right hand side. Is going to be a guy called Chris Evans. Mr. Steve Rogers, Captain America, lives directly in front of you guys on my left hand side, across that white Mercedes side. This is the first Fast and the Furious. This is where Dom Toretto and Lady were discussing that they don't want to do no more heists. This is the last one. Now, the third house that has a great rooftop and a garage underneath belongs to a little girl called Drew Barrymore. His name is Mr. Robert Downey Jr. I like him as Tony Stark, Iron Man. An orange rooftop on my right hand side. Landmark, a Beverly Hills landmark, and within the next 2 or 3 years. Who used to reside here for about 2 years. He died on July 20, 1972 at the age of 32. Was a guy called Beatwater, my friend. Bruce Lee used to live on my left hand side. Do I like Bruce Lee? I do. $31 million. Now it goes for about $33 million. A girl called Taylor Swift. And everybody over to my left hand side is going to be a decorative full-fledged. Do I like that kind of just pass me by? It does look futuristic. Do I like Taylor Swift? I do. This is where Mr. Frank Sinatra and Marilyn Monroe used to sit to hang out on my right hand side.
So yan, itutuloy natin sa next video. Yung Beverly Hills naman yung pupuntahan natin.